welcome to Crafty Purple Dragon channel. Today we've got an unboxing, so let's get on with it. I've left it too far away. Right, we'll open this one first. It may or may not be applicable. Okay, some paintbrushes. I got these from Amazon. They're about £5 or £6. It's taken a few days to get here actually. I got them not because I want to do painting, but for applying glue. Can't get any damn thing. Feels like it's down this end. I don't know. I have to rip it open. I don't want to rip it open. Good God, defeated by a paintbrush packet. No, I'm expecting like a lift up end. Is it here? It's just labels, I think. Oh, it is serrated here. Looks like it's serrated on the front, but I can't open that. Right, I'm going to have to cut off. Okay, so this is a value pack for acrylics, watercolours, oils, temperas, enamels, fabric dyes and fabric paints. They're white Taclon and it's a 7-piece set. For me, it didn't really matter what type of brush they are. I just wanted some brushes and taped together at the bottom. Oh, double taped. Oh my God, really? Oh, it's like in a plastic bag or something. Oh my God, really? Oh, that's so frustrating. Pull them out. That's alright, pull them out. Okay. Bit rubbish. So, these feel really nice. Now, I decided on these because I don't know anything about brushes, but I do know that Taclon, if that's how you pronounce it, Taclon is a synthetic fibre, so that suits me, and I wanted that size, or probably that size. That's going to be way too big. Maybe that size, but it's on a diagonal, so that might be a bit of a pain. I suppose I could cut it across, or maybe that size. That size might do actually, but it's got a tapered end, whereas that's straight across. I want to use it for the Eileen's Tack It All Over glue onto the Diamond 911 book. So it tells you near the sizes of brushes that you get. I think there's a 6, which is a filbert, and I think paintbrushes usually have the size. 1/4 inch 6 milli, that says. Crafter's Choice, Royal and Langnickel. And they come with a no slip rubber grip. They do feel quite comfy actually. So that's a 6mm. Is that what they mean by the 6? Filbert. And then there's a 4 and a 10, which are shaders. That's a 3. Oh, that says 6 on there as well. That says 6 rather than 6mm. That's a 10. That says 6 on it as well. What? I don't understand. 4, 3, and 19mm. So, excuse me. That's those. To me, I was just looking for the shape. Now I will get the price for you. Let me just have a look. Orders. So these were ordered on the 24th of April and they cost £5.89, and they were sold through Amazon by Avatar Express. So they took 6 days to get here. It's alright. That's suitable for what I wanted. And cheap enough price, given that I wanted to just use one of them for glue. I don't really have any use for any of the others, but they came in a nice little set and you never know. So okay, that's that. Next we have this. Again, came on the 30th of April. So there is a kit with tweezers, 2 or 3 bags, single placer, green boat with open end wax. Here's the canvas. Let's take these elastic bands off. Bing. And we'll leave that over there just to relax itself out. Right. Rubber bands can go over there, out the way. Over there, I said, out the way. And these are the drills. So you will no doubt already know from the title of the video. You will already know that this is the 3rd in the abstract series. I quite like it. It has a flow to me. I thought it was interesting, and it'd be good to see again, like that other one that I unboxed the other day. the one that I had originally got as just a canvas picture. It'd be interesting to see how it interprets onto canvas. So let's have a look at the drills. As you can see, it's got an inventory sheet. Oh, this is really right on the edge. It's really annoying. Okay. Some interesting colours there. Lovely. Right, let's do that thing I do where I count really badly. $36 colours. Right, let's find it in my book. So this was ordered on the 18th of April. It was dispatched on the 19th of April and it arrived on the 30th. So it took 11 days from dispatch, 12 days from order to get here. It's a 30 by 40 full square apparently, and it has 36 colours. It costs £10.46 when I bought it from the Yiwu DIY diamond store. I just love the movement. I can't wait to see the canvas, to see how they've interpreted it. Okay, so let's do the inventory. You can skip past this if you so wish. 245972, 245972 there. 701 3. It has already been checked by them in store, so 600 2. Everything should be here, but you never know. 3847 2. 823 832 should I say. 1. 7434 890 2 310 2 4 6 8 158 1 977 2 995 2 4 6 8 919 2 550 2 3842 13607 2 3705 2 3726 2 973 5 371 1 996 6 829 2 3823 3823 5 907, 2, similar colour there, 704, 2, 817, ooh, 817, there should be 7, yeah, 6 and 1 code at 7. $8.20, that's a lovely colour. 5, 8.20, 5, 413, 792, 740, 740, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, 606, oh sorry, 5, that's correct, 606, 5. I've got a bag open, oh my god, I've got spillage, broken bag, weep, 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 alarm. Sorry peeps. 3, split bag, damn. 814, 5. 798, 2, 333, 3, 415, 4, can't do that one, 150, 1 bag. So everything's here apart from I've got 1 bag that's split open. Let me just take a picture of that. Is that everything? A couple more over here. 1 there, 1 there. Right, take a photograph. Right, so that's those photographed. I'll make a note. 318 bag split. Okay. So they look nice, the beads. They are square, which is what I was expecting. There's some lovely colours. Okay, so I need a bag. I need a bag. What do I do with the bag? Right, I shall just put everything I can into a bag. I can open it. Jeez. Okie dokie. So I'm just going to scoop these into this bag. Right. Do one of those paintbrushes for this. Flick it in. Okay, so that's the spare drills that came out the bag, and I shall fold the bag up, or the bags up, squish them in here as well. You can see that all of the bead bags have got the writing in dark, in black, but even on the 310 I could see it. I can see that it says 310. I mean, it would have been so much better if it was a contrasting colour, but it's not too bad. So that's the drills. So let me chuck all these back in this bag. Right. Inventory sheet. So the code off the canvas is, or off the kit is JX7978, and we'll see if it's on the canvas in a minute. I just want to see what I've called this colourful clouds. Probably not the best description, to be honest. So let's see what they've called it. Colour abstract, they've called it. Colour abstract. You see how it changes? Okay, I just called it colourful clouds. Right, so that can go back in the bag. And we'll wrap the drills up. And we'll take a look at the canvas. So this will have to go over there. Put that there. So there's a key thumbnail that you can't really see. Take the foam roller out. Fat foam roller. Not super fat, but somewhat fat. So this is a 30 by 40. Up to now, this is my favourite size. So there is a little bit of a crease here. I'll pull back the cover sheet and hopefully sort that out. It's just one piece of paper. The sticky comes outside of the painting a little bit, about 1/2 centimetre on the side. Oh my gosh, this is really bendy, really bendy canvas. Stuck. Okay, wow, that looks brilliant. So it's sticky outside there, slightly out there, a little bit out there. The canvas looks okay. Some minor creases or whatever, but nothing problematical at all. I'll turn it round and you can get to see it the right way up. Oh, there's something on the table there. One of those errant beads. There's another one there. So we'll pull up this side. So this will show you the painting the right way up. I suppose it doesn't really matter in something like this. It's up to the person who hangs it, which way around it goes, I suppose. Okay, so that's more or less the full painting. The codes are letters, symbols, letters and symbols, oh, and some numbers. Nothing too weird. Have a look at the drill field. I've got the dark coloured background in the symbol on top of the colour is white, so that's good. See if I can get it to focus a bit better. Is that better? It was. It's a bit better there. The canvas is nice and clear. Got no major issues with the canvas, it's fine. Doesn't seem to want to straighten out though. I have to lift this side again. You can get to see that side of it. That's lovely. Obviously don't think the brush strokes are going to be as obvious. On the picture you can see like there's more brush texture left on the painting, whereas I don't think that's going to come across in the finished item, but we'll find out when we eventually do it. JX79678. I've missed the 6 off on here, I think. 79678, yeah. Yeah, so there are some little, I don't know, streams, creases, whatever you want to call them in the canvas there, but nothing problematical at all. And again on this edge the glue has come over about 1/2 inch. I'm not bothered about that. I'll put a bit of tape round it when I come to do it. Drills flipping knocking about. Okay, so god damn these grey 318s. That's the end of that unboxing. That was £10.46 from Yiwu DIY Diamonds store. 30 by 40 full square, 36 colours. It took 12 days from order to delivery. Thank you very much for joining me. It's much appreciated. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Subscribe if you're not already, and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload future videos. If you've got any comments, questions or suggestions that are constructive, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks very much for joining me. It really is much appreciated, and I'll see you next time. Bye.